Welcome my dear 7th class students. We are going to learn chapter number 15. Chapter number 15 Statistics म्हणजे सांख्यिकी. Today we are going to learn part number 15.2 Practice set 54. Practice set 54. Let's learn. Question 1. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain cities is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. म्हणजेच एका शहरातील आठवड्याच्या पावसाची सरासरी काढा. Rainfall given in millimeters 9, 11, 8, 20, 10, 16 and 12. Let us solve this example. Let's find average rainfall during the week. Average is equal to sum of the daily rainfall during the week upon total number of the days. 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12 upon total number of days 7. Here sum of all these numbers 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12 is equal to 86 upon 7. Here I divided by 86 by 7. 7 ones are 7, remaining 1, taken 6. 7 twos are 14. Subtraction is 2. Write down decimal point and write 0 after 2. 7 twos are 14, remaining 6. Write down 0. 7 eights are 56. Subtraction is 4. I write down 0. 7 fives are 35. Here we write down answer in 2 decimal point. When third decimal point bigger than 5, we added second number decimal point 1, 12.29 millimeter. Answer is the average rainfall is 12.29 millimeter. Question number 2. During the annual function of a school, Women's Self-Help Group has set up a snack stall. म्हणजेच शाळेच्या स्नेहसंमेलनामध्ये स्वयंसिद्ध महिला बचत गटाने खाद्यपदार्थांचा एक स्टॉल लावला होता. Their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, 830, 945, 800, 847, 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? म्हणजे ताशी सरासरी किती रुपयांची विक्री झाली? Let us find average of the hourly sales. Average is equal to sum of the sales per hour, total number of hours. Therefore, sum of the sales of per hour, first hour 960 plus second hour 830 plus third hour 945, fourth hour 800, fifth hour 847 and sixth hour 970. Total hours is 6. So multiply sum of these all numbers is 5352 upon 6. We divided by 6 to 5352. 6 8s are 48, remaining 5. Taken 5. 6 9s are 54. Subtraction 55 and 54, remaining 1, taken 2. 6 2s are 12. 892 rupees sales per hour. Answer is the average of sale was 892 rupees per hour. Third example is the annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? म्हणजे विदर्भात 5 वर्षात पडलेल्या पावसाची नोंद दाखवली आहे. 5 वर्षांची सरासरी काढा. 900 millimeter, 650 millimeters, 450 millimeters, 733 millimeters and 400 millimeters. Let us solve this example. Let's find average of 5 years rainfall. Average is equal to sum of the rainfall in 5 years upon total number of years. Sum of rainfall is 5 years. First 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400 upon 5. Let's sum of this all numbers. 3133 upon 5. Here I divided by 5. 3133. 5 6 are 30. Subtraction 0. Taking 3. 5 2 are 10. Subtraction 3. I taken 3. 5 6 are 30. 33 minus 30 remaining subtraction 3. I write down decimal point and taken 0. 5 6 are 33. 626.6 millimeter. Answer is the average rainfall is 626.6 millimeter. Let us solve fourth number example. A farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weights of the sacks are given below in kilograms. What is the average weight of the sacks? म्हणजे शेतकऱ्याने पशुखाद्यासाठी पोती आणली. किलोग्रॅममध्ये त्यांच्या पोत्यांचे सरासरी वजन काढा. वेट ऑफ द सॅक्स इन किलोग्रॅम्स 49.8, 49.7, 49.5, 49.3, 50, 49.9, 49.2 and 48.8. Let's solve this example. Let's find the average weight of sacks. Average is equal to sum of the weight of sacks upon total number of sacks is equal to, I write down all sum of this all numbers 49.8, 49.7, 49.5, 49.3 plus 50 plus 49.9, 49.2 plus 48.8 upon 8. Here I write all 4 numbers first. Sum of 4 numbers, write down 4 numbers. Then write down 4 numbers. I divided 4 because we did not mistake in sum. Here I sum these 4 numbers. Answer is 198.3. Next, sum of these 4 numbers. $196.9. Sum of these 2 numbers 2, 5, 9, 3. 390.2. 390.2 is sum of these all numbers divided by 8. 395.2 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. Subtraction 7. Taken 5. 8 9s are 72. Subtraction 3. I write down decimal point in quotient. Next 8 4s are 32. Answer is 49.4 kilogram. 49.4 kilogram. Answer is the average weight of the sacks is 49.4 kilogram. Thus we have studied this part of the average in the chapter of statistics. Solving practice set 54 will give you a good practice of average examples. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and study regular. I hope you are understood these examples, solve these examples.